Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users experience a common issue with the Dyson HS01 hairdryer. It gets hot but fails to blow air. This problem can be due to a blockage in the air intake or a malfunctioning fan. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage, potentially requiring a more costly repair down the line. To resolve this, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a soft cloth to protect surfaces, and possibly some replacement parts if necessary. To begin the repair, make sure the hairdryer is unplugged for safety. Start by removing the outer casing. Look for the screws located at the base and sides of the device. Carefully unscrew them using the appropriate screwdriver, ensuring you don't strip the heads. Once the screws are out, gently pry the casing apart, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the casing removed, you should see the internal components. The fan is typically the component that fails in this scenario. Locate the fan assembly, which is usually positioned near the air intake. Check for any obstruction such as lint or hair that may be blocking its operation. If you find an obstruction, carefully remove it using your fingers or a soft cloth. If the fan looks damaged, you'll need to extract it for replacement. Disconnect any wires connected to the fan by gently pulling on the connectors. Take out the screws holding the fan in place and lift it out. When replacing it, ensure that the new fan is compatible with your model. Insert the new fan, secure it with screws, and reconnect the wires, making sure they are firmly attached. As you work, be mindful of nearby components. Applying too much force can cause damage. Once everything is back in place, reassemble the casing by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Before plugging it in, double-check that all connections are secure and nothing is loose. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the air intake to remove any buildup of hair or dust. Additionally, avoid using the hairdryer in areas with excessive debris. Keeping the device clean will ensure optimal performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.